So over here you can see that I got certain blog posts right here, and these blog posts are arranged in a certain way so that you can see that Jan 27 post right here is on the top, while the latest post February 16 right here is on the bottom. If you want to go ahead and change the order of your blog post that you see right here, you can simply go to manage blog post. And then what you can do is you can go around over here onto the blog setting. And here you can see that right now the blog post order is oldest to newest. You simply can go ahead and change it to newest to oldest and then go ahead and click on save. And once you do that and go back right here, back to the site design, you'll be able to see the latest post over here on the top and the oldest on the bottom. This is usually what you want. If you want to go and change the order again, you can simply go back to manage blog post and then go around over here onto setting right here onto the blog setting. So let's just go around over here onto blog itself right here. That is manage blog post and then go to blog setting, not the other setting right here. And then click on oldest to newest and then click on save. Then what happens is that the oldest post will show up on the top again. So that is how you can simply go ahead and change out the blog post order that you see inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.